Open the box. Open the box. Go help him open the box.
Alright. Wow.
It's another one from the Easter Bunny.
On this side.
It's another one from the Easter Bunny.
Cool.
Yeah? You're going to take the top off?
Okay. Alright. Goodbye. Ooh. Ooh. Tasty. Whoa. There it goes.
Look at that. Oh! Kenna, look at that. Oh my goodness, look. Look at the doll. Look, see the dolly? You gotta play with her?
Oh,
Oh, you want me to open it?
okay.
Okay.
Oh. It's mine.
No, that's Nathan's. Those are Nathan's, and you got the dolly, okay?
Daddy.
Yeah, go. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake, shake, shake. Yeah. Go. Go.
Whoa.
Go, Nate, go.
Oh, dude.
Oh, shit.
Kenna, look at your dolly.
Oh.
Wow. Is she pretty? She's got a basket?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that dolly. She's pretty. You want me to open it?
Okay. Sure.
Sure? Okay. What's he doing? What's you doing?
Yeah, Papa. Got more. Shake,
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake a booty. Shake a booty. Okay.
How was that?
They're eggs, honey. I don't really know quite how they work just yet, but if you give me a minute, I'll figure it out. Ooh, purple. What color's that one? Purple and green? What's in there?
What's this side?
What's in there? You gotta open it.
Harry.
Let me see. Okay, let me open it. Oh, here, one for you. One for you. Here. What is that? What's that? What is it? What is it? Look. What is it? Is it a bunny? Yeah, bunny rabbit. That's right. What do you got, Nate? Oh, don't shake that one too much.
What?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate too?
Wow. Wowee.
Open it.
Oh, not yet. You gotta wait till later, okay? Because we still gotta have dinner.
The ball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Look. This is it.
Do you like your doll?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like your eggs, Nate?
Yeah.
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 Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake a booty. Shake a booty. What you got? What you got, Kenna? What you got? What color is your egg?
Red.
Wow. know. That's kind of an orangey red. But yeah, it's red. It's red. You're right. It is red. In the box? You know what? It is red, honey. It's just a weird colored red.
Go.
Can you say thank you? Kenneth, can you say thank? Can you say thank you?
Thank you, Nate.
Thank you, Nate. Say thank you.
Yeah.
Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Okay.
Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Yeah.
Okay. Nathan. What are you doing?
Hello, Nate. Me, Nero. You.